Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Midland weather radio model WR400. Let me plug this in. And as you can see, it says welcome, and then you need to set your language. I will currently set it at English, so you press this button, and then you set your location. I'm gonna put single. I'm gonna put UC1 empty. So currently I'm in the United States, or you can select Canada or USA. And then you can set your state. So currently I live in California. And then you go to set your county. So currently I'm going to set these counties over here. And then you set time. So currently it's 10:09. And then you set your channel. It defaults to 162.475 megahertz. We are set to be this channel. And then this one.
80. Tuesday night, mostly clear.
I know it sounds really gibberish, but I'm gonna set it anyway. And then it's saving. To listen to the radio, press this button. It's really static. And then you can set alarm 1. It defaults to 6 o'clock. I really like to wake up at 7 a.m. And then you can set it to on. There's an alarm switch here. There's an alarm switch over there. You can set it to off and on. Alarm 2. It defaults to 8:05, and it defaults to. I'm going to set it to about 7:15, and then you can set it on too. Also, there's an alarm type. You can listen to the radio or buzzer, whichever one you choose. Okay, there's an alert type. If you select voice, the alert siren will be on for about 8 seconds and then will silence. Display silences the alert tone. And finally, if you select tone, it activates the alert siren if you have one plugged in. I'll set mine on display because I have a feeling someone does not like the sirens. And then you can also do the alert test. Here it is. You can press this one. Press enter to stop testing. Then you set your channel. There's the backlight. You can set your set brightness. Currently I like to leave it on maximum brightness. Then there's a button beeps. You can set it to on or off. Currently I like to leave it on off. There's set events. You can leave it all on. All of the events off. Or you reset them to default. Here you can edit your events. Administrative. Unrecognized message. Unrecognized stuff. Winter storm warning. Winter storm watch. Wildfire watch. Transmitter primary. That's a glitched one. Tropical storm warning. Tropical storm watch. Tornado watch. Severe weather statement. Severe thunderstorm warning. Storm surge watch. Special weather statements. special marine warning. I think I'm gonna leave it on. Required weekly test. It happens every Wednesday. Monthly test. It happens as well. Power outage. National silent. National periodic test. Network notification. National information. National Information Center. National auto test. Iceberg warning. High wind warning. High wind watch. Hurricane watch. Hurricane statement. Freeze warning. Flash freeze warning. Fire warning. Flood warning. Flood watch. Flood statement. Flood watch. Flash flood warning. Oh boy, that's one of our warnings we had so far. Flash flood statement. Flash flood watch. Extreme wind warning. Evacuation watch. Dust storm warning. Practice demo. Dam watch. Coastal flood warning. Coastal flood watch. Child abduction emergency. I think I'm gonna put it on. Blizzard warning. We don't usually have storms like this, but I'm gonna leave it off. Boil water warning. I don't know what type of warning is this. Avalanche warning. Watch. And administrative message. And these are all these things. You can even set the radio on. There are 4 presets on this radio. If you want to set your radio presets, you just to set a radio preset, just hold this button, then it sets as a preset. Hold for 1 second to turn off the radio. And also, for the radio,
with gusts to 30 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear. Areas of winds west
to turn off the radio, you have to hold this button until the NOAA indicator disappears. If you turn on the radio without the radio, this message appears. Weather is off. So if you want to receive alerts, you just need to have the NOAA weather on, and then it will appear. Anyways, that's the review of this Midland WR400. Thank you guys.